go back to the home page and go and search from the scratch. So from the scratch, from the home page, let me just search over here, conference. Flyer can be 1080p, flyer can be landscape, flyer can be portrait, anyhow. I think something is not correct here. Somebody want to join the class? Okay. So I'm trying to see conference flyer. Yes, I've seen the conference flyer I'm looking for. So these are conference flyers. Very easy to manipulate. So what you just need to do is to start from using their templates, then from there add your design. Like this is nice. This particular one, online business, I like simple and straightforward. This is not also bad. This is very simple and common and more. So I have click on 2. So let me go and open those 2. I'll look at it. We will look at it, add our own design, and now learn how to design it from the scratch. So this one is already simple. They added text, they added some effects. So what you just need to do is to just do some changes. I would like you to do some changes. If it is me that is going to be using this now, what I will do is I'll change it from left to right. So this one, there's something that follows it. I'm still going to take back. Then change the color. So if you want to use their design sometime, just alter it. And so that when people see it, they will like, I can even change this circle and come to elements and go and search the word gradient. Gradient is one of my favorite terms on Canva, and I think I've not even used it for a while during the course of this course. This is gradient. I can add it to the background. Let's see if this one is used. Okay, this one is a video. Let me see, like this now. Then position backward. What do you say about this? Then change this yellow to this. Now too dark. We need a light color. Okay, I think I like it to be then zoom in. There's a lot. Then over on the name of the what's it called? I can make it a dark, maybe a dark blue. Dark blue. You see that I've actually altered this. Let me add image. Let me add images of speakers. I have a lot of speakers I can add. Okay, this. It is good to remove the background of your speakers before you use them. So I'll advise you to use a picture that the background is already removed, or you use a plain background. I think I've taught us how to do that. So if I'm you, I'll just take my time to use something like that. Maybe because I have a lot of brown, I can do this to be this brown. Yes, because if you observe well, there are a lot of brown now. So brown can even be, I can do a darker brown as the name of the, you understand? So I'm trying to like create an harmonized design. Then gradients, I've not done what I wanted to do on gradients. This one is the one I want to use on gradients. One, you know, there was something here before, so I'm trying to create those things. So I'll now change the color. What's the color that we are using? I'm using a dark blue. Yes, all the colors are here. This, yes, I like this. Then what do you say about this? Not bad, not bad. This brown is somehow. So change it back. So the only issue I have is the images. The images are not interesting. So you have to make sure that the images of your what's it called are very interesting as much as possible. Very interesting. Add your logo. This is fine. I change everything right now. So you can change designs and add your own creativity to it. So let's design